Hello everybody, it's Gaming with the Fox King. Today I'm going to show you a cool Roblox Studio feature that would be good to use if you're making an obby map and want to have something special. I don't think any obbies that I've played have this, but they might. And since I usually end up stopping to play obbies after a few seconds, because I'm not really an obby type of guy. But so you can have like a small little pathway like this. Just a bunch of parts. And then you're gonna wanna add a tool. And name this whatever you want. I'm gonna do path 1. And add all the parts that you want to be disappeared. Well, to vanish inside here. And add to starter pack. Oh wait, I accidentally added the spawn location. Add the path 1 or whatever it's called to the starter pack, and those parts will disappear. Then, when you press play, you're gonna have a tool. It's gonna be whatever you name that tool. So for me, path 1. Then I click on path 1, and it'll show the path. If I unequip it, it'll get rid of the path, which can be used to make a few good obbies. Well, cool obbies. So if I add this back to workspace, I can just I'm gonna configure the obby to make it possible. And then you can have like some prize at the end, and which is like another tool, so that you can keep going, and then you can finally get to the end of all of the obbies. Which seems like a good idea, which I might turn that into a game one time. But I'm not a good coder. This doesn't take any good coding skills for Roblox. It's very simple. So yeah, and then this works if you make multiple parts. So like that, like that, like that, like that, and it can be in any way you want. It just has to be possible. It can work with a kill brick, like I've shown in how to make in one of my other tutorials. And so yeah, then I can make another tool and call it path 2. You can name it whatever you want, don't forget. The annoying part is selecting all the parts. And there's probably a much better way to do this. And then drag it into path 2. And then you have 2 different paths, but you can choose one at the same time. And then this can actually make something pretty cool. So let's just finish this obby. Not so hard, right? It's really easy. And many people would be able to do this. Yeah. But then, what if we use 2 paths? I'm gonna delete all of these parts. And bring this part into the spawn location, because I don't want to accidentally delete that, and you can get rid of the decal. The decal doesn't matter. It doesn't do anything for the spawn location other than give it decoration, which I find uglier than a regular uncolored, untextured part. So then, you can start using this part. You can go here, do that, do that, do that, and keep going. Now this might not look hard, and then you're gonna put But trust me on this. Bring the first one to path 1, the second one to path 2, and the next part to path 1, the next part to path 2, and the next one to path 1, and just keep repeating that. Now, you'll notice that it's actually harder. So, oh wait, I forgot to put the parts into the starter pack. Don't forget that. That's really the only important part. Don't forget that. You need to put that in. Starter pack. There. What part is this? I don't know. I'm just gonna bring it out. Oh wait. That should be in path 1. So you go in here. There we go. Then we're gonna press play. It's all anchored. Make sure it's anchored, unless you want a big thing to fall apart. So here, 1, 2, 1, 2. See? See? Like, it's actually hard. But this can make a few crazy obbies. But that's all for this video. See you